subscribe to your point of view, hit the bell icon and get notified each time I upload a new video. Because whatever you do, winter is coming.
Hey, what's happening guys, it's your host Amok back with another interesting video. And today we will be talking about 10 hidden features which you can find in the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now before we begin, let me tell you that most of these features are already there in the MIUI 9. So you may find them existing in your old Xiaomi device. But still some of them are exclusive for devices with 18:9 aspect ratio. So I thought to make a video about all of them which may help you in making the decision of buying this device. So the first feature is called as Lock Home Screen Layout. Many times you may willingly or unwillingly uninstall few apps from the home screen. Now to prevent anyone from uninstalling apps or games from your phone, you need to simply press and hold the menu button, click on settings, then tap on this lock screen home layout, and that's it. Now neither you nor anyone in the world can uninstall any app or game from your device, unless they know how to disable this feature. Then the second feature is called as Show Memory Status. By default you cannot see the available RAM on your device. Even if you check on the multitasking page, it doesn't show the used RAM. So in order to know how much RAM is available on your device, you need to long press the menu button, again go to the settings and click on more, and enable this Show Memory Status option. Now whenever you press the multitasking button, you can see the total RAM as well as the available free RAM. Then the next feature is called as Multiple App Movement. Now suppose if you want to move any app from one screen to another, you would normally do it by long pressing on the icon and then moving them wherever you need. But what if you need to move more than one app at the same time? Doing the old school method will take a lot of time. So the simplest way to do it is by long pressing the home screen, then select the app you want to move, group them together and move all of them in just one shot. Then the next feature is called as Multiple Ways of Taking Screenshot. Now usually in any Android phone, you can take screenshot by pressing the volume down and power button. But thanks to MIUI, there are more than 3 ways to choose how you want to take screenshot. Just go to Settings, then go to Additional Settings, then go to Button and Gesture Shortcut and click on this Take a Screenshot option. Here you can select how you want to take screenshot and can apply the same by based on whichever is convenient most to you. Then the next feature is called as Call Recorder. If you want to record calls but don't want to install any third-party software, you can do so in MIUI 9. Just go to Dialer, then go to Settings and tap on this Call Recorder option. You can select if you want to record all the calls or only calls from a particular number. And this feature will be enabled in the default Dialer app. Then the next feature is called as Flash when ringing. Now whenever you get a call and you want your phone's flashlight to be lighten up and to notify you about the particular call, then you can enable this option by going to Dialer, then go to Settings, then go to Incoming Call Settings and enable this Flash when ringing option. Now whenever you will get a call, your phone's flashlight will automatically lighten up. Then the next feature is called as Dual Apps. Now suppose if you have two numbers or two separate accounts for any app and you want to use both of them at the same time, then this feature is surely the lifesaver. Just go to Settings and click on this Dual App option. Now you can create two separate accounts for WhatsApp, Facebook and Instagram etc. and can use both of them at the same time. This basically creates a copy of any particular app so that you can use two of the applications at the same time. Then the next feature is called as Multiple Ways of Turning on the Flashlight. Now similar to the feature where I showed multiple ways of taking screenshot, this feature lets you turn on the flashlight in various ways. Just go to Settings, then Additional Settings, then Button and Gesture Shortcut and click on Turn on Torch option. Now you can select which method you want to turn the flash on as per your convenience. Then the next feature is called as Double Tap to Wake Screen. Now this is another most commonly used feature of Android phones. You can wake up your phone screen by just double tapping when the device is locked. To do so, just go to Settings, then in Display you will find this option. Enable it and you are good to go. And last but not the least, Pin to Stretch in Video. Now this feature is exclusive to all 18:9 aspect ratio devices in order to make the most out of your phone's full view display. Now whenever you are watching any YouTube video, but the video is not playing from edge to edge, then you can simply pinch into screen and stretch the same to all the edges. Now you can enjoy any video in real 18:9 aspect ratio. So these were the 10 tips and tricks or hidden features for Redmi Note 5 Pro. Let me know what you think about them. Give this video a like if they have been helpful to you, and also subscribe to the channel for some more videos on this Redmi Note 5 Pro in the future. That's all for this video then. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Amog, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye and take care.